In the world of technological advancement, few areas have seen as much rapid development as display technologies. It's a fascinating journey that can be likened to a bizarre natural phenomenon known as carcinization, a term from evolutionary biology where various species independently evolve into forms resembling crabs. Similarly, display technologies such as LCDs, OLEDs, and micro-LEDs, each with different origins, are evolving towards a common goal: the perfect display. This convergence is not just about innovation, but also about fierce competition in a billion-dollar industry. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve deep into the evolution of these technologies, their current state, and the race towards what could be the ultimate display technology. The rise of LCD technology. The journey begins with LCD, liquid crystal display, technology, which has been a cornerstone in the evolution of displays. LCDs rose to prominence by replacing the bulky CRT, cathode ray tube, monitors and televisions in the mid-2000s. CRTs, which relied on firing electron beams at a phosphor-coated screen, were heavy and cumbersome. LCDs, on the other hand, offered the first mass-market flat-panel displays, revolutionizing how we interacted with screens. At its core, an LCD works by using a backlight to illuminate pixels on the screen. The light passes through two polarizers that control the light waves, and in between these polarizers is a liquid crystal layer. By applying a current to this liquid crystal, we can control how much of the light passes through, creating an image. This technology allowed for the creation of screens that were much thinner and lighter than their CRT predecessors. However, early LCDs were not without their flaws. The layers of polarizers and liquid crystals meant that a significant amount of light from the backlight was filtered out before reaching the screen, leading to inefficiencies. Additionally, blacks on LCDs were never truly black, as even the best polarizers allowed some light to pass through, resulting in a grayish glow. Viewing angles were also a problem, as the light coming from the display was directional, making it hard to see the screen clearly from different angles. Advancements in LCD technology. Despite these challenges, LCD technology has made significant strides over the years, thanks to innovations aimed at overcoming its limitations. Two of the most notable advancements include the development of mini-LED backlighting and the incorporation of quantum dots. Mini-LED backlighting. Traditional LCDs used a single large backlight panel, often lit from the sides. However, mini-LED technology introduced a grid of thousands of tiny LEDs as the backlight source. This allowed for much finer control over the light, enabling almost perfect black levels by turning off specific LEDs where darkness is needed. Mini-LED backlighting has been a game changer, especially in high-end devices like iPads, MacBooks, and premium TVs, bringing LCDs closer to the ideal display with improved contrast and power efficiency. Quantum dots. Another significant improvement came with the introduction of quantum dots. Unlike traditional color filters that simply block unwanted wavelengths of light, quantum dots actively convert the backlight into the desired color with minimal waste. This results in much brighter and more vibrant displays. Quantum dot enhanced LCDs, often referred to as QLEDs, have taken LCD technology to new heights, offering colors and brightness levels that were previously unattainable. With these advancements, modern LCDs have shattered many of their early weaknesses. They now offer fantastic colors, brightness, and contrast, making them a formidable competitor in the display market. Their ease of manufacturing and robustness further solidify their position as the most popular display technology across various categories, including TVs and computer monitors. OLED technology. A different approach. While LCDs have made great strides, OLED, organic light-emitting diode, technology has emerged as a strong competitor, offering its own set of unique advantages. Unlike LCDs, which rely on a backlight to illuminate pixels, OLEDs are self-emissive, meaning each pixel emits its own light. This allows for much thinner and more flexible displays, with the added benefit of true blacks, as pixels can be completely turned off when not in use. OLED technology can be divided into two major approaches: AMOLED, active matrix OLED, used primarily in smaller devices like smartphones, and WOLED, white OLED, used in larger displays like TVs. In AMOLED screens, each pixel is made up of red, green, and blue subpixels that emit light individually. This results in highly vibrant and accurate colors, with no need for backlighting or color filters. WOLED, on the other hand, uses white OLEDs with an RGB color filter to produce the desired colors. While this approach is less efficient than AMOLED, it is more suitable for larger displays. WOLED also includes an additional white subpixel to boost brightness, making it a popular choice for high-end TVs. Challenges and innovations in OLED technology. Despite its many advantages, OLED technology has faced its own set of challenges, primarily due to the organic materials used in the diodes. These materials are prone to degradation, especially when exposed to air or when displaying the same image for extended periods, leading to a phenomenon known as burn-in. Burn-in occurs when a static image permanently imprints itself on the screen, reducing the display's lifespan. To combat these issues, both Samsung and LG, the leading manufacturers of OLED panels, have developed innovative solutions. Micro-lens array, MLA. LG's latest innovation, MLA technology, involves placing a grid of microscopic lenses over the OLED panel to focus the light more efficiently. This boosts brightness by up to 60% without increasing the strain on the OLEDs, improving both the display's longevity and energy efficiency. MLA technology has already been implemented in LG's latest high-end TVs, such as the G3, and is expected to be adopted by other manufacturers as well. QD-OLED, Quantum OLED. Samsung's approach to improving OLED technology involves the use of quantum dots, similar to those used in LCDs. In their QD-OLED TVs, Samsung starts with a blue OLED and uses quantum dots to convert some of the light into red and green subpixels. This results in brighter and more vibrant colors compared to traditional OLEDs, as quantum dots are more efficient than color filters. QD-OLED displays are already gaining popularity for their stunning visual quality, and there is potential for further advancements, such as combining QD-OLED with MLA technology for the ultimate OLED experience. Looking to the future, several promising innovations are on the horizon for OLED technology. Tandem OLEDs. Samsung is reportedly developing tandem OLEDs, which involve stacking two OLED layers on top of each other. This design would double the peak brightness and quadruple the lifespan of the display, as each layer would require less power during regular use. This technology could be a game-changer for OLED displays, particularly in devices like tablets and laptops, where brightness and durability are crucial. Phosphorescent blue OLED. A company called UDC is working on a new blue OLED material that is 4 times more efficient than current materials. This could lead to significant improvements in both brightness and energy efficiency, with potential adoption by major manufacturers like Samsung and LG by 2025. Micro-OLED. Another exciting development is Micro-OLED, where the pixels are deposited directly onto a silicon substrate, integrating the control electronics into the display itself. This allows for extremely high-resolution displays that are ideal for applications like virtual reality, VR, headsets. Devices like Apple's Vision Pro and the Big Screen Beyond are already starting to utilize micro-OLED technology, setting the stage for a new era of immersive displays. Gallium nitride nanorods. Samsung is experimenting with replacing the blue organic LEDs in their QD-OLED displays with gallium nitride, GaN nanorods. Unlike organic LEDs, GaN nanorods are inorganic and do not suffer from burn-in, potentially offering all the benefits of OLED without the drawbacks. If successful, This could represent a significant breakthrough in display technology, though it might necessitate a new name, as the organic in OLED would no longer apply. Micro-LED, the true crab of displays. While both LCDs and OLEDs have made remarkable progress, there is a third contender in the race for the perfect display: Micro-LED. Often hailed as the future of display technology, Micro-LED promises to combine the best features of both LCDs and OLEDs without their respective downsides. Micro-LED displays are made up of millions of tiny individual LEDs, each acting as a subpixel in a grid. Like OLEDs, micro-LEDs are self-emissive, meaning they don't require a backlight and can achieve true blacks by turning off individual pixels. However, unlike OLEDs, micro-LEDs are inorganic and do not suffer from burn-in or degradation, allowing them to reach much higher brightness levels without compromising lifespan. On paper, Micro-LED appears to be the perfect display technology, offering unparalleled brightness, contrast, and durability. However, the technology is still in its infancy and significant challenges remain in bringing it to the mass market. One of the biggest hurdles is the manufacturing process. Unlike OLEDs, where the diodes are deposited onto a single surface using vapor deposition, micro-LEDs involve the precise placement of millions of tiny LEDs onto a substrate. This is an incredibly complex and time-consuming process, prone to errors and misalignments. As a result, current micro-LED displays are extremely expensive and limited in availability, with most being used in large-scale installations rather than consumer devices. Despite these challenges, there is a strong belief that micro-LED will eventually become the dominant display technology. Experts predict that within the next 5 to 10 years, we could see mass-market micro-LED TVs.